Let's take a look at this international travel adapter by Ceptics, model UP-8KU. The product works for more than 150 countries around the world. Some of the places that it works in include USA, EU, Australia, and UK. Let's open up the box and see what all is included. So in the box, we get a quick start guide, which includes a list of every compatible country. You also get a diagram showing how to use the product. Here is the actual adapter itself. So on this side, we have the universal outlet. Then on the other side, we have two USB ports at 2.4 amps. We have sliders here for each individual prong type. We have a release button, and then we have all the different prongs on the back. So to get started, all you have to do is move the slider for whichever country you're in, then go to your outlet and then plug the device right in. After you plug it in, you'll see that a small light will illuminate. And then from here, you have multiple options. So you can plug your devices into the outlet on the top very easily, and then plug in your device, and your device will begin charging. And then you also have the ability to plug into one of the two USB ports or both at the same time. So I'll try each. So there we go, there's port 1. And there's port 2. And then when you want to switch to a different country, just press the button on the side and then slide in, and then use one of the other sliders to slide the prongs out. But this is the 2 USB travel adapter, model UP-8KU from Ceptics.